Forgotten username recovery failed on Property Moose fix. If you've tried recovering your Property Moose username and the recovery process keeps failing, don't panic. This issue is more common than you think, and the fix is usually simpler than it seems. Let's walk through what's really happening and how to get your account back fast. First, the most common reason username recovery fails is that the platform no longer supports the original Property Moose login system. After Property Moose merged with other investment platforms, some user records were migrated and others weren't. So, when you use the old Forgot username tool, it may not recognize your email anymore. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Go to the Property Moose website and check if it redirects you to an affiliated platform like Shogun or another investment management portal. If it does, that's your new access point. Try logging in with the same email address you originally used with Property Moose. Step 2. If you're still locked out, search your inbox for any old emails from Property Moose, Shogun or Crowd Property. These often contain your account migration details, a reference number, or even your username. Step 3. If you can't find any of that, contact the new platform's customer support directly. Provide the email you used to register and mention that your Property Moose username recovery failed. This tells them exactly what issue you're facing. Most people make the mistake of trying to reset multiple times or using different emails, which actually delays the fix. Stick to one email and communicate clearly with support. In most cases, they can manually verify your identity and restore access within a few days. So don't stress your account isn't lost. It's just moved under a new system. Follow these steps, stay patient, and you'll be back in control of your Property Moose investments soon.